If you want to know how to grow a shaded balcony garden, the biggest mistake you can make is planting crops that need full sun. That mistake leaves apartment gardeners with weak tomatoes, dime peppers, and empty pots. Today, I am going to show you 7 shade-loving edible plants. They actually thrive in low light and will turn a dark balcony into a productive garden. Most people think a shady balcony means no food. That is only true if you pick the wrong plants. I stopped fighting the shade and started growing plants that love cool, low-light spots. My pots began producing fresh berries and greens for months. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which plants to grow. You will also know which popular vegetables to avoid. Plant 1. Alpine strawberry. Most gardeners buy large grocery store strawberry varieties. They assume bigger berries mean bigger harvests. On a shaded balcony, that is the wrong choice. Instead, grow Alpine strawberries. Regular strawberries spend a lot of energy growing runners. Alpine strawberries skip that and focus on making fruit instead. They also love partial shade. This makes them one of the easiest berries for pots. A simple 3-gallon window box is all you need. Use a railing planter so you can harvest without bending over. Fill it with a good potting mix that holds moisture. Water only when the top 2 inches of soil begin to dry. Shaded pots stay moist much longer than pots in full sun. Feed them once in early spring. From late spring until the first hard frost, you will harvest small red berries. They have a rich flavor that is sweeter than grocery store berries. Here is a fun fact. In the 1300s, King Charles V of France loved these berries so much that he planted over 1,000 of them in his royal garden. Plant 2. Swiss chard. Most people fill their pots with lettuce and spinach, but they completely overlook one of the toughest greens you can grow. Swiss chard. Many leafy greens struggle and get weak in small pots. Swiss chard fixes that problem because it thrives in containers. The Bright Lights variety grows huge green leaves with bright yellow, pink, and red stems. It grows a deep root, so plant it in a 5-gallon container or fabric grow bag. Fabric bags help airflow so the roots do not stay too wet in the shade. Use a good vegetable potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Watering once or twice a week is usually enough. In about 45 days, you can start harvesting. Cut the large outer leaves and leave the center untouched. Now, it will keep growing new leaves for repeated harvest. Here's a fun fact. During the American Civil War, farmers relied on Swiss chard because it survived early winter snows and provided healthy nutrients. Plant 3. Wasabi. I have to warn you. This next plant is the hard one on the list, but the reward is huge. Wasabi is the real Japanese spice most sushi restaurants fake with dyed horseradish. Most garden plants struggle without sun. Wasabi is the exact opposite. Direct sun will actually kill it. It grows wild under dark forest canopies along cool streams. Because it needs constant cool moisture, plant it in a deep 7-gallon plastic pot. Use a very loose mix of compost and perlite. The soil must drain fast but stay wet. Check the soil every single day. Keeping the roots cool and wet is the secret to success. You will need to wait about 2 years to harvest the thick underground root. Once you grate it fresh over a meal, you will understand why chefs prize the real thing. Here's a fun fact. True wasabi is very rare and hard to grow, which is why most restaurants serve cheap fakes instead. Plant 4. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a relaxing herb that smells exactly like fresh lemons. Most herbs struggle and get weak when the sun disappears. Lemon balm does the opposite. It is a member of the mint family, so it grows fast and thrives in partial shade. Because it spreads fast, grow it in its own container. A 3-gallon terracotta pot works beautifully. The clay breathes and keeps the roots healthy in cooler weather. Water deeply whenever the top few inches of soil become dry. In about 40 days, you will have plenty of fragrant leaves to harvest. Pick them in the afternoon when their scent is the strongest. You can use them to make fresh herbal tea or desserts. Here's a fun fact. Hundreds of years ago, European monks grew lemon balm because they believed it calmed the mind and improved memory. Plant 5, spinach. If you have ever tried growing spinach in a sunny yard, you probably failed. Heat makes spinach panic. It shoots up a flower stalk and turns very bitter. A shaded balcony fixes that problem perfectly. The shade stays cool, so the spinach stays sweet and tender for a much longer time. Spinach has shallow roots, so a wide planter, about 6 inches deep, is perfect. Fill it with rich potting soil. Water whenever the top inch begins to dry. Consistent moisture keeps the leaves tender. In about 35 days, you will have fresh baby spinach. Just cut the outer leaves with scissors. The center will grow back for multiple harvests. Here's a fun fact. The cartoon Popeye made people think spinach gave you instant strength, but that idea was based entirely on a math mistake in an old science book. Plant 6, French sorrel. French sorrel is a leafy green with a bright, tart lemon flavor. It is a perennial, which means it is a plant that comes back every year on its own. Annual greens die every year and must be replanted from scratch. A container of sorrel fixes that extra work. It comes back every spring and loves partial shade. Plant it in a 5-gallon container so the roots have room to live for years. Use a quality potting mix with good drainage. Water when the soil feels dry a couple of inches down. From early spring until late autumn, you will harvest these lemony leaves. They are perfect for fresh salads or creamy sauces. Here's a fun fact. That tangy lemon flavor comes from a natural acid. It is the exact same substance that gives rhubarb its tart flavor. Plant 7, Perennial Chives. If you want the easiest plant on this entire list, this is it. Chives are another plant that comes back every year on its own. Many balcony plants need constant feeding and perfect watering to survive. Chives do not. They tolerate shade extremely well and require almost no maintenance. A 1-gallon container is all they need. Use potting mix with a little perlite for drainage. Water whenever the top 2 inches of soil dry out. Their roots hold water very well, so they forgive you if you occasionally forget to water them. In about 30 days, you can cut a handful of leaves an inch above the soil. They grow right back very quickly. Here's a fun fact. The strong natural substances in chive leaves can actually help keep bad bugs away from your other potted plants. Not one of these 7 plants needed more sunshine to succeed. They succeeded because they were the right crops for the shade. That is the mistake most people make. They fight against their balcony instead of choosing plants that naturally want to grow there. Once you work with the shade instead of against it, your balcony garden becomes easy and productive. Now that you know which plants actually belong in a shaded balcony garden, there is one mistake that can ruin every single one of them. Most people fill their pots with heavy garden soil from the hardware store. That leads to poor drainage, weak roots, and pots that are too heavy to move. In the next video, I will show you my lightweight container soil recipe. Click that video now, because choosing the right soil is every bit as important as choosing the right plants.